All right, boys and girls, we're going to continue our study with Mo Willems. So today we're going to meet two new characters in Mo Willems' books. Who are the characters that we've already studied? We talked about Trixie. Yeah, we talked about Knuffle Bunny. Who else? Yeah, Pigeon. And now we're going to meet two new characters that Mo Willems writes a lot of books about. And these characters are called Elephant and Piggy. And they have their own series of books. So I picked out 4 of the funny ones. And then you can finish reading some if you would like. So this story is called I Will Surprise My Friend by Mo Willems. Who remembers what this page is called? Yep, the title page, I Will Surprise My Friend. Look! Hee hee hee! What are you doing? I'm going to surprise my friend. Shh! Here she comes. So now these books all have these in pink and in blue. Does anybody know what those are called? Yeah, it's a little tricky. Those are called speech bubbles, and we read those in books when a character is talking. So when a character's saying something, they put a speech bubble. That's something we're going to focus on this week, too. Boo! Ha ha ha! Ha ha ha! Hee hee hee! You surprised me! I did! Let's do that again. Okay. I have an idea. We could surprise each other. Yes! We could surprise each other by the big rock. Yay! You go this way, and I will go that way. Hee! All right, it's our turn to stop and think and make a prediction. What do we think's going to happen when they go towards the rock? I'll give you a second. You might want to think, where might Piggy go? Where might Elephant go? Do you think they're going to go to the same place? Could they go to different rocks? Make your prediction. All right, let's continue and see if you're right. There's the big rock. Hee hee hee! Hee 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 hee! Uh-oh. What's the problem? There's a problem. Yep, there's a big problem. Where is Gerald? Where is Piggy? He is not here. She is not here. Where can my friend be? I will look on the other side of the rock. She is not there. He is not there. Oh no! Maybe Piggy is lost and about to fall off a cliff. Or maybe a giant bird grabs Piggy and flew off with her. Or maybe a scary, scary monster is trying to eat her right now. Ah! Poor Piggy. Maybe Gerald got hungry for lunch. Piggy must be saved. I am hungry for lunch. I must save her. I will get lunch. Gerald's thinking the worst. I will save you, Piggy! Lunchtime! Ah! They look pretty scared. That was a surprise. A big surprise. Plop. Plop. Next time, let's play tag. Deal. The end. And those are all different kinds of Piggy books. All right. So now we're going to fill out this worksheet. And this is going to be the worksheet we fill out for all of our Elephant and Piggy books. So it's called Radiant Retell and Lovely Lesson Learned. So the title of the Elephant and Piggy story I already put in. It says, I Will Surprise My Friends. And now it says somebody, and it's always going to be about Piggy. And we're going to work this one almost all the way through. And then you're going to finish it by yourself, and then you'll be able to fill them out every day about the Elephant and Piggy books. So somebody, Piggy, what did Piggy want to do in the story? Yeah, Piggy wanted to surprise Elephant. Gerald. So Piggy wanted to surprise Gerald. But what happened? What happened in that story? What did they do? But they both hid at the same time, so no one was looking. They were both hiding at the same time. No one was looking. That's so silly. So they sat there and waited. So they sit there and they wait and they wait. Piggy and Gerald got up and really scared one another. Yeah, when they got up, they really scared each other. And now your job is going to be to fill out, what did you learn from that book? So it's your choice, whatever you think the lesson learned should be. What do you think that they tried to teach you in that book? All right, so you're going to get a paper. It's going to be filled out just like this, like Mrs. Montalvo did, and you're going to fill it in. If you have any questions, you can text, or you can dojo, or you can leave it on the classroom stream. I look forward to seeing your work. Have a great day, boys and girls.